Hey everyone, welcome back to Simply Makeup. In today's video, I am going to use products from a giveaway that I won. I hope you stick around and watch how this look turn out. Let's see what I am doing today. Don't know yet. I'm using the peach highlighter and blush set from my winnings. So I used a couple things from my winnings. This is the eyeshadow. It is like a rose gold color. I used the e.l.f. blush and highlighter set. I use the sponge, and I use the lip color. It's really nice. It's a little minty, nothing major, just very, very subtle. And the color for the highlighter is this, and this is the highlighter right here. The peach blush is this, and it is right here. So these are the colors. The color for the blush, the color for the eyeshadow is this, and if I swatch it, this is it, and I'll put it right here. So this is what it's looking like. I have the rose gold right here, and then I added black from the TATI Beauty eyeshadow palette. So these are the colors that I'm using today. The rose gold from my winnings from One Busy Mama, and the black from the TATI Beauty palette. That is it. Today's word is trust. Trust. Tell me in the comments what trust means to you. Do you trust yourself? And also, do you trust others? Trust to me means when I trust someone, there is no doubt, no doubts at all. If I trust you, and that's it. In the comments below, tell me what trust means to you. Again, always remember, self is first. Love self plenty, take care of self. And I, Simply Your Makeup, will see you in another simple, everyday eyeshadow look. Bye! Bye, bye, bye! The highlighter is popping. You see that? I would love to stay and talk and chat and have fun with you, but I gotta go do other things. We will see you again very soon. Bye. Bye, bye, bye.